And breaking news coming in now on that massive blaze at the Make in India event in Mumbai late last evening, which completely gutted the stage. The fire, remember, was brought under control in about 30 minutes. The Chief Minister has now ordered a probe into the incident. The organizer of the event, which is Wizcraft, issued a statement saying that all the norms were followed and swift evacuation resulted in no casualty. My colleague Kajal now joins me from the BMC headquarters. Kajal, it is very clear that the evacuation, in fact, was very, very prompt. Thousands of people were evacuated. There was no casualty. But as far as the probe being ordered is concerned, are they going to be looking into these aspects that Wizcraft has talked about, whether or not all fire safety norms were in fact followed and all the NOCs were taken?
In fact, the Chief Minister also, when he tweeted last night about the fact that the fire was fully under control and that he ordered an inquiry, had also claimed at that point of time that all safety precautions had been taken. In fact, if you remember correctly, initially the Bombay High Court had denied permission for this event at Girgaon Chowpatty, and the state had gone to the Supreme Court and had assured the Supreme Court that they have followed all fire safety hazard precautions that need to be taken in. What we can of course say is that at least some of the evacuation protocols were completely followed, which is why there was no injury to anyone, not even a small burn that we can really talk of, which really was there to any of the people on stage or backstage. So that really is some sort of an achievement. But yes, questions will be asked about what exactly was the cause of the fire. Like you rightly mentioned, was it pyrotechnics? Was it some sort of short circuit? All of these things will be investigated, and surely some heads might roll.
यहाँ पे एनडीआरएफ भी आ रखी है, एनडीआरएफ को बुलाया गया था और यहाँ पे भी आग बुझ चुकी है, कोई खतरा नहीं है। और एनडीआरएफ जो है यहाँ पे, ये जो यहाँ पे स्टेज बनाया गया था, तो उसका इक्विपमेंट के साथ में वहाँ पे अभी लास्ट उसको फाइनल टचअप दे रही है।
तो कितनी कुल एनडीआरएफ की टीम यहाँ पे मौजूद है?
एनडीआरएफ की एक स्मॉल टीम यहाँ पे आई थी और इक्विपमेंट लेके आई थी, और यहाँ पे जो भी इसका स्टेज था, फ्रेम था, तो यहाँ पे जो अच्छे जो मॉडिफाइड इक्विपमेंट उनके साथ उनको कटिंग करके और उनको निकाल रहे हैं।
अभी क्या कुछ खतरा सब दिखाई दे रहा है?
अभी कोई खतरा नहीं है यहाँ पे, बिल्कुल सब सेफ सारी चीजें।